G'day YouTube, this is my next video. I've actually replaced my rear wing with a new wing and the brackets that go along with it. The brackets, it was time for them to go. They were very strong and bulky, but they caused a bit of damage to my rear end, as I'm about to show you now. Looking, and that's the damage I had from this thing. So that backed into a bloody tree at 4 o'clock in the morning with tinted windows. You can't see nothing. This is what happens. So yeah, time for something new. Okay, found the new one. Resprayed it, prepping it, getting it ready. It's a bit dirty, but yeah, that's my new boot. Here it is, the new one. Gotta really give it a good clean. There you go. It's all on, all nice and tidy. Tinting is gone. I'll fix that soon. Tomorrow, we'll put the spoiler and the new brackets I'm going to build back on. This morning I went to Bunnings and I bought a 1.6mm thick sheet of iron and angled line that thing right down to make these shaped brackets. It'll be good. It's got to paint them up and make them look all pretty, but it should do the trick. These are my new brackets. I never do a perfect job with them, but these are the new ones for my new spoiler. I'm making these new ones, and they're for like my old spoiler. It's not a new one, but I haven't put it on my car, so technically it's new. Anyways, these little bad boys are going to go on the new boot that I've just installed, and I'm going to see what it looks like. Things are starting to take shape now. Don't need to be that fancy, nothing. I just make it look nice and good. Then I'll paint it once it's all done. But yeah. Part of the audio in this video was muffled, so I'm just showing you in this video where I've bolted on the new brackets to the wing. It's looking good so far. So in this video you can see that I've now bolted on the angle brackets with the new wing brackets, and that's all done. Well. So yeah, she's as good as I can get it. There you have it. She's about 99% complete. I just got to put a stabilizer in there and give her a nice spray, fresh paint. Yeah, that's what I'm sticking with. There you have it. Still got some wrap on there, but this is how she looks now. She's bolted in, and she ain't going nowhere.